Hello friends. Sometimes Facebook posts get automatically translated and for some posts we do not get translation option. To solve this problem, there is a simple setting which we will be covering in this video. Let's look into this post. Let's tap on Read this translation. We can see that this post was translated from Kannada to English. We can tap on See Original to see the original post which is in Kannada. If we want Kannada posts to appear only in Kannada and not get translated, we can tap on Never Translate from Kannada. We can also go to Language Settings from here. For language settings, it is not necessary to only come through the posts. In the home page, we can tap on these three lines, then go to Settings and Privacy. And from here we can go to Settings. Here we have the option Translation for Posts. Let's tap this. There are three options. First option is to choose the language for which you want to translate the posts. By default it's in English, since I had selected English as default language while creating this account. If you want, you can change this. In the next option, we can choose the language for which you do not need the translation option. For example, if you select Hindi here, you will not get translation option below Hindi posts and you will not be able to translate them to English even if you want. Last option is to choose the language for which we do not need automatic translation. Let's select Kannada. Let's save it. You can choose multiple language options here. Now, all Kannada posts will appear only in Kannada. However, we will have the translation option at the bottom of every post, which we can use in case if we wish to translate. Still the posts are coming in English. It happens. Let's reboot the mobile. We can see that the changes are reflected. If we would have selected Kannada in the second option, we would not have got this translation option. That's all about translation settings. Let's meet again during the next video. Bye.